Hello everyone and welcome to this episode. I am debuting a little bit of a new, I shouldn't say a little bit, I am going to debut here today a new format. Each week I will come to you with what I call the good, the bad, and the ugly of what we have available primarily in the Villages, Florida, as far as homes go in the MLS listing. With that said, I will take you on a tour through the MLS. Now, I haven't toured some of these homes. I'm just going to go through the actual listing and give you my opinion from what I see from the photos. We'll talk about the price, if there are any price reductions, how long it's been on the market, what I might see need to be repaired, any renovations that might need to be made, imperfections from what I see, from my opinion. Now, with that said, this will not be publicly displayed on YouTube. I am putting it on YouTube, but the caveat is you must subscribe to my email newsletter list to receive a link to this video. That episode each week, the good, the bad, and the ugly, will be an undisclosed link. And what that means is you don't have to pay to view it. You don't have to sign in to view it. But it's not going to be like my regular videos where you can just find it online, search, whatever you're going to search, or you subscribe to my channel. Because I'm going to put information on there that might upset people who either own the home or other realtors who may have listed the home. But because this will be private, I feel comfortable doing it that way. So you must subscribe to my email newsletter list and you will get this email once a week. Now, the link is in the description below. So you click on the description if you're watching it on your computer or your phone, and you will see a link. Click here to subscribe to my email newsletter. If you're watching this on your television, when you get to your computer, you can go onto my website, which is, I don't know if I'm putting it up or below, RobynCavallaro.com, and you will be able to sign up for my email newsletter there. I got such a great response for people praising me for my honesty in the market and what I see, but I don't want to offend anyone out there, so this is why the solution that I've come up with is to make this link private. Again, you have to subscribe to my email newsletter list. The link will be undisclosed. So you could search all you want on YouTube. You will never find that link. You will have to click it from the video sent within my email newsletter. Okay? All right. Any questions? Please put them in the comments below. That really helps me be able to give you the content that you're looking for, but also the more questions and answers that I can provide, and likes and subscribes, of course, helps the content get out into the YouTube universe. So I do appreciate that from everyone. Again, comments are very, very helpful. It helps me give you that content. And last, before I close, this is what I will tell you. Prices are still coming down. I had a client make an offer on a home, and I can't disclose the price or the address, but I can tell you it went for $10,000 under asking price. So those deals are negotiable now for you as a buyer. I'm starting to see homes being listed a little bit less than they were before, but there's still a lot of price adjustments that need to be made out there, and of course the good, the bad, and the ugly episode is going to help you find those. And I had a couple people ask me some questions, so I thought I might answer them here. The question is, do you live in the Villages? Yes, I do live in the Villages. I live in the village of DeSoto, which is south of 44. It's actually what they call the Fenny area. I live in a patio villa, which I love because it takes me 25 minutes to clean it. It is plenty of room for one person. I absolutely love it. I have a Ruby model. Why south of 44? Well, I tell this to everyone. And at that, I was a little, I don't want to say this is a commercial, but I am writing an ebook. It's going to have a lot of valuable information about buying a home in the villages, the process, VLS, MLS, new homes, pre-owned homes, the areas, what you can expect to find in those areas, checklists, maps, my favorite restaurants. I am almost finished writing it, and since my daughter is an editor, she is going to edit it for me, and then I will publish it. It'll be available on Kindle, on Barnes & Noble, for a Nook, and on Amazon, and it's probably going to be like $2.99. I want it to get out into as many hands as possible, but I think it's a very valuable resource for you if you're considering buying a home or thinking about the villages and what that lifestyle entails. So let's get back to south of 44. Why south of 44? Well, I love it down here. I love it down here, and my reasons are that it's easy for me to get on the turnpike and to get on 75. And also my daughter lives in Claremont, and that's only about a 40-minute drive, 30 minutes if you're from New York, because we exaggerate everything. But and I do lots of things outside of the villages, so it's easy for me to get around. And plus I do sell homes outside of this area. So I like that accessibility. But I think if you're looking for any type of long-term investment, south of 44 is a great option for you with Sawgrass Grove, the new multimodal bridge that will connect the Fenny Linden area with I call the other side of the turnpike. And Eastport is going in off of 501. So I think it's a great option. Plus we have cooking gas down here, which I love. So those are my reasons for south of 44. You should definitely consider it. And I always get this question, what's my favorite restaurant? So I would have to say, if I were to choose one right now, I actually love Americanos up in Spanish Springs. I'm into that Mediterranean food, and they make their own falafel, the spanakopita, saganaki, that's where the halloumi cheese, they fire it up. Yeah, I really like that. So outside of the villages, one of my favorites is up in Ocala. It's called Big Hammock. It's a microbrewery. It's a little pub right downtown. It's actually right up the street from where I get my hair done. But they have great Asian fusion food, Big Hammock. So if you're in the Ocala area, I would definitely recommend that to be a stop for you. Okay, so that's really it for this episode. Look forward, don't forget, subscribe to that email newsletter. I am putting that video together. It will probably be out tomorrow or Saturday, because today is Thursday. And I thank everyone for watching, and please share this with any friends that are thinking about moving or villages lifestyle or moving to Florida. That's it. It's going to be a hot one today. And it's 4th of July weekend. So everyone, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, again, please make them in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in my next episode. Take care.